Some luxury cars are so well engineered, so mechanically solid, and so overbuilt that they can be owned safely and confidently long after their warranties expire, without draining your savings. So today, we're breaking down 9 luxury vehicles that have earned a reputation for being reliable and tough survivors, making them smart choices for long-term, worry-free ownership even without a warranty. Let's get into it. Number 1. Lexus ES350, ES300H. The Lexus ES is often cited as the gold standard for reliable luxury sedans, sharing its platform and powertrain components with the highly dependable Toyota Camry and Avalon. The ES offers a plush, comfortable ride and an interior built to last. Owners consistently report very few problems, and when issues do arise, they tend to be minor and relatively inexpensive to fix. The interior is not only comfortable, but also thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials that resist wear over time. Unlike some competitors that prioritize flashy technology over long-term reliability, the ES focuses on creating a quiet, stable, and durable driving experience. Its cabin is well insulated from road noise, making it ideal for long commutes or cross-country trips. Why it's reliable? Proven Toyota engineering, high build quality, and a focus on long-term durability over complex, failure-prone features. Best model years to consider. Models from 2013 onwards, particularly those equipped with the robust 3.5L V6 engine, ES350, or the efficient hybrid powertrain, ES300H. The hybrid version is particularly appealing for those who want a balance of fuel efficiency and comfort without sacrificing reliability. Many owners report surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal issues, making it a smart choice for those looking to buy used luxury sedans that can be enjoyed for years without major repairs. Number 2. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX midsize luxury SUV has been a bestseller for years, largely due to its stellar reliability and family-friendly practicality. The RX offers a quiet, refined driving experience and a strong reputation for hassle-free ownership. It's a prime example of a luxury vehicle built for the long haul, with many examples surpassing 200,000 miles with proper care. Its smooth ride, spacious interior, and user-friendly infotainment system make it a practical choice for families. Additionally, its reputation for reliability often gives buyers confidence when purchasing used, as there is less fear of hidden repair costs or unexpected breakdowns. The RX also maintains strong resale value, thanks to Lexus's reputation for durability and longevity. Why it's reliable? Durable V6 engine options, solid transmission, and consistently high ratings in dependability surveys. Best model years to consider. The 4th generation, 2016-2022, is particularly well regarded for its low incidence of faults and overall reliability. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced safety systems have also matured in this generation, adding more value without compromising long-term dependability. Owners often praise the RX for its combination of luxury, comfort, and low-maintenance ownership, which is rare in the SUV segment. Number 3. Acura TLX. Acura, Honda's luxury division, benefits greatly from Honda's engineering prowess, known for creating durable and long-lasting vehicles. The TLX sedan offers a balance of sportiness, luxury, and dependability. With capable engines and high safety ratings, it provides good value in the used luxury market and is a solid choice for someone wanting a reliable daily driver. The TLX also impresses with its driving dynamics. While it offers comfort for daily commuting, it is equally enjoyable on twisty roads thanks to its responsive steering and well-tuned suspension. Inside, Acura maintains a focus on ergonomics and driver-focused design, ensuring that controls are intuitive and build quality is consistent throughout the cabin. Why it's reliable. Robust Honda powertrains, including the 3.5L V6, and a strong track record for overall durability. Best model years to consider. The first generation, 2015-2020, offers proven reliability and represents great value, with the 2020 model year receiving high marks. Purchasing a TLX from these years ensures you are getting a car with the latest safety technology while still benefiting from Honda's reliability standards. Many TLX owners report low repair costs compared to German competitors, making it a smart choice for a luxury sedan that won't break the bank in the long term. 4. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is a popular three-row luxury SUV that consistently performs well in reliability and safety ratings. It offers a spacious and well-appointed interior, solid engineering, and is an excellent choice for families needing a dependable vehicle that can handle high mileage. The MDX combines practicality with luxury, offering features like tri-zone climate control, premium sound systems, and a comfortable seating layout for 7 passengers. Its handling is surprisingly agile for a three-row SUV, making it easier to drive in urban environments without sacrificing comfort or reliability. Why it's reliable. The 3.5-liter V6 engine is known for its longevity, and the MDX generally has lower repair costs than its European rivals. Best model years to consider. The second generation, 2007-2013, is a tough, durable SUV, while the early third-generation models, 2014-2016, also offer a reliable experience. These years are particularly praised for their balance of value, performance, and minimal, unexpected repairs. Owners often highlight the MDX's low cost of ownership compared to German SUVs, combined with a reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with proper care. Number 5. Infiniti Q50. Infiniti, Nissan's luxury arm, has produced a surprisingly reliable and engaging sports sedan in the Q50. It typically earns good reliability ratings from J.D. Power and often outperforms its German competitors in the segment. It provides a good balance of luxury and performance with manageable, long-term maintenance needs. The Q50 also delivers a dynamic driving experience, particularly with the available turbocharged engines. Its responsive handling and refined interior make it an attractive option for those who want sporty performance without sacrificing daily usability. Infotainment and safety features are user-friendly, contributing to a practical ownership experience. Why it's reliable. The non-turbo models with the older VQ Series V6 engine are particularly robust. The newer 3.0 TVR engine has also proven dependable, though it requires a bit more care. Best model years to consider. The 2014-2017 model years are good options for value and reliability. Models in this range benefit from mid-cycle updates, including improved infotainment systems, better safety features, and refinement of mechanical components for longevity. The Q50 is an ideal choice for those who want a reliable luxury sedan with a sporty edge and minimal headaches. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. While German cars are sometimes associated with high repair costs, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, particularly certain generations, stands out for its exceptional build quality and longevity. As the brand's flagship sedan, it's built to a higher standard. While it contains complex systems, a well-maintained S-Class from the right era can be a very durable and luxurious vehicle. The S-Class offers a world-class interior with the latest comfort and safety technology. From advanced air suspension systems to high-end audio and climate control, The vehicle provides a luxurious experience rarely matched in other segments. Its strong reputation comes from over-engineered components and careful attention to detail. Why it's reliable? Over-engineered components, a focus on material quality, and a build that prioritizes a quiet ride and supreme comfort. Best model years to consider. The WW220 generation 2000-2006 with the M113 V8 engine is a notable tough survivor, known for its strong mechanicals despite potential air suspension issues. Regular maintenance and attention to common weak points can result in decades of trouble-free driving. Many enthusiasts and collectors favor the S-Class for its combination of prestige, comfort, and durability, proving that German engineering, when properly maintained, can outlast many modern cars. Number 7. BMW 3 Series. The BMW 3 Series is a driver's car renowned for its performance and handling. While previous generations could be temperamental, newer models have improved their reputation for dependability. With the right engine, the 3 Series offers an engaging driving experience and a solid build that can handle long-term ownership. Its sporty dynamics, combined with a comfortable cabin and high-quality materials, make the 3 Series appealing to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Features like responsive steering, balanced suspension, and precise brakes enhance the driving experience without compromising long-term reliability. Why it's reliable? BMW's modern B-Series engines, B48 4-cylinder and B58 6-cylinder, have proven to be among the most reliable they have ever made. Best model years to consider. Models with the B-Series engines, roughly 2016 onwards, are a smart choice. These models provide the latest safety and comfort technology, along with proven mechanical durability, making them suitable for long-term ownership. Owners praise the 3 Series for delivering a sporty and luxurious driving experience that can endure high mileage when properly maintained. Number 8. Audi A4. The Audi A4 is a top contender among reliable European luxury sedans, known for its robust build quality, sophisticated interior, and quattro all-wheel drive system. It is generally a dependable car that requires minimal unscheduled maintenance compared to some rivals. Inside, the A4 offers a clean, elegant cabin with intuitive technology and premium materials. Its quattro all-wheel drive system adds confidence in all weather conditions while enhancing performance and stability. The combination of style, comfort, and reliability makes it an appealing choice for used luxury buyers. Why it's reliable? Solid engineering, durable components, and good performance in owner satisfaction surveys. Best model years to consider. The B9 generation, 2017 onwards, is a strong performer in reliability ratings. These models benefit from refined engines, updated technology, and improved overall dependability compared to older generations. Audi A4 owners often comment on its low maintenance costs relative to German competitors, making it a practical and stylish choice for luxury enthusiasts. Number 9. Porsche 911. It might seem surprising to find a sports car on this list, but the Porsche 911 has an outstanding reputation for long-term dependability and excellent engineering. It consistently scores highly in dependability studies, proving that high performance and reliability can go hand in hand. The 911 combines precision engineering with everyday usability, making it both a thrill to drive and a surprisingly practical option for long-term ownership. Its iconic design, paired with meticulous attention to mechanical details, ensures that it remains a standout in the sports car segment. Why it's reliable? Meticulous engineering, rigorous testing standards, and a focus on mechanical integrity. Best model years to consider. The 991 generation, 2012-2019, is a modern classic known for its durability and relatively few common issues. Models in this range benefit from refinements in engine reliability, suspension components, and electronic systems. Owners often report decades of trouble-free driving, proving that a sports car can also be a long-term investment in reliability. Crucial considerations for post-warranty ownership. Owning a luxury car without a warranty is a viable strategy, but it requires a proactive approach to maintenance and ownership. Here are some essential tips to keep in mind. The single most important factor in owning a reliable luxury car without a warranty is a commitment to regular, manufacturer-recommended maintenance. This means following the service schedule religiously and using high-quality parts and fluids. Luxury cars, especially German ones, often have complex systems that demand precise care. Even simple issues like neglecting an oil change or ignoring brake wear can lead to expensive repairs down the road. Owners who maintain detailed service records often enjoy higher resale values, reduced repair costs, and a longer lifespan for their vehicles. By choosing a model from a brand renowned for longevity, such as Lexus or Acura, or a specific, well-engineered European model, you can confidently own a reliable luxury car without a warranty. The key is to prioritize proven mechanicals, conduct thorough research on specific model years, and commit to proactive, high-quality maintenance to ensure a smooth and luxurious ownership experience for years to come. Owning a luxury vehicle post-warranty is not just about status or comfort. It's about choosing vehicles that reward care and attention with decades of reliability